Okay guys, in this tutorial, how do you fix your audio problems in Windows 11 PC? You can follow this tutorial for older version of Windows as well as upcoming newest version of Windows. So number of solutions guided in this tutorial, one the either solutions might help you. So let's begin with the very first solution. So in the very beginning, so stupid mistakes we will be making sometime. This is not the problem. Here's the sound like icons. When you click on it, it will be muted. And we'll be worrying that my audio is not working. I click on it and it's all done. Sometimes you'll just it will be at minimum and you can't listen to the audio and you'll feel like there's audio problems. Not audio problems, just increase the volume a little bit. So this is not the problems, it's only the stupid mistakes we'll be making sometimes. The very first solution is, here's the sound like icons. Give a right click on it and here is troubleshoot the sound problems. So here, this is the help you'll be getting. What help it does is, it can guide you with the number of steps. So you can follow the steps. If the problem fix your issue, click on yes, otherwise click on no. Now it will guide you to the another solution. Did it fix your problems? No. Did it fix your problems? No. Did it fix your problems? No. So it will guide you step by steps with the possible solutions. If any of the solutions help you, just click on yes. So all the possible steps. If you need more help, here you have the number of links over here you can follow. So any of these steps, if helps you, just click on yes and you are all done. So this is the very first steps that you're gonna try. The second solution is, give a right click on it and then click on open volume mixer. So when you open this, let me show you. So here it is. So once you come here, what you're going to do is just reset it. Just reset all the settings and functions once. If the issue still persists, we'll proceed to the next step. So in this step, what you're going to do is, you'll have a this PC or a my computer. Give a right click on it and click on manage. Click on show more options if you do not have and click on manage. Okay, this will open this window. Now here you'll go to the device manager and you will come down to audio. It's the sound, video and game control. So do not worry, you might have only one Realtek audio or you might have a number of options over here. So if you have a number of options also, it's not a problem. Here you have in the very big top also audio input and output device. You're going to click on this also. Here you have a microphone, Realtek audio and speakers, headphones. So what you're going to do is, so here all the devices that you have. Okay, let's you got nothing to do with these devices. So audio input and output device, you're going to click on that and give a right click on it. So you might have only one device or sometime you'll have a two device. So not a problems. So if you have a problem with the speakers, click on update driver. Search for the driver automatically and it's done. If this will still persist, come back to the same place, disable the driver. You just have to disable the device. And you can ask for the permissions, click on yes. I can give a right click on it and enable the device. And you're all done. If the issue still persists, scan for the hardware change. Okay, if the issue still persists, go to the properties Here you have a driver. So you do not have option to roll back driver. If you have installed the latest version of driver and previous version of your previously your system before updating to the newest driver, very first thing, let me guide you. What you're going to do is you're going to update your drivers. Click on update drivers, scan for the driver change automatically, and click on. If any of the update is available, it will update automatically. If updating the driver will cause the problems, suppose newest version of driver is installed. Here you have a rollback option. Currently it is grayed out. So if you have updated your driver to the newest version of, you have installed the newest version of your driver, is the version of driver, you're going to click on rollback driver. When you click on rollback driver, it will go to the previous step. So it will install your previously installed driver that was working fine before, and you can go back and that particular driver will be working fine and you can access the audio. So when you have tried all these possible steps, you can do the same for the microphone. Update the driver, disable it and enable it again, scan for the hardware change and go to the properties, and again you can go to the driver and follow the same steps as guided before. If this is still persist, what you're going to do is come back to the same place and uninstall this device. When you uninstall this device, exactly a problem must be with this speaker. Currently we are dealing with these speakers. You'll uninstall this device and you'll restart your computer. When you restart your computer, what you're going to do is this driver will be automatically installed again. So you don't have to install manually. Sometime if it is not installed, you can search for the driver manually over the search. You can go to the Google and search for the driver, put your PC brand names, and you can download from the official site for your laptops the drivers and install it manually. Or in most cases, that is very rare case, in most cases you do not have to install it manually. When you restart your PC, it will be installed automatically after uninstalling it. Just restart your PC after uninstalling it, it will be installed automatically. So all these were the possible steps you could follow here. If this is still persist, what you're going to do is, here is the sound like icons, give a right click on it, and here you have sound settings. In the sound settings, here you have lots of options you can see. So input device, output device. What you're going to do is, here you can click on more sound settings. You're going to see, just scroll the page a little bit down. So if it is on the top, what you're going to do is just scroll it a little bit down. And here you have a more sound settings. Click on it. As soon as you click on it, this windows will pop up. Now here you're going to see, make sure this it is checked, and it's speaker and headphones. Here you have a playback device. Currently I have a 2 playback device. So this is my external device and it's an internal one. Make sure it is checked. It's working fine. Next thing what you're going to do is click on this configure, and here you're gonna, there's a stereo. Click on test. So you can test the device. So it's working and fine. See, it's working fine. See, right, left. When you click on it, see, it's working fine. So click on next, front and right. Click on next, complete configurations. Click on finish. So what next you can do over here is, you're going to go to the, next is you're going to go to the sound, and here make sure it is a Windows default. If it is none, you're going to change it to Windows default, and you're going to click on apply, and then you're going to click on OK. And the next step is go to the properties, and here you're going to see, here you have a, let me take it a bit up, and I click on properties and put it a bit down, and here you're going to see you have again level advanced. In advanced, you can see here you have a multiple number of options. Before that, in a general, you're going to see device uses. So use this device is enabled, and sometimes you say don't use this device is disabled. If it is disabled, you're going to do is use this device enable. Click on apply and OK. Next is next thing that you're going to check is, you're going to go to advanced. In advanced, here you have a default format. In a default format, make sure these options are checked. Make sure all these options are checked. If it is unchecked, you're going to check these options. And here you have, you're going to test it. Click on test. You can see it's a green line over here. It's working. So test it. It's a green line over here. It's working. You're going to change to others. Currently it is 24-bit. Now we'll change it to 16-bit. Click on test. Now you can see it's failed to play the test tones. Okay, it's not working. Now okay, 24-bit is working. 24 is 44. Okay, it's 24-bit, 16-bit. Now you can see another 16-bit. So test. See, failed to play the tones. Okay, it's not working. So it's just 216-bit with the 4800 and 44100. Now 24-bit, 44100 Hz is tested. So failed to test the tones. Okay, it's not working. So something is working is 24-bit 4800 Hz. Test it. It's working. So you're going to change the option one by one. You're going to test all the options and check it which one is working for you. This is one thing you can do, and then you can apply and then click on OK. So these were the possible best steps, the best solutions you could try in order to fix the audio problems in Windows 11s. Again, click on OK. And if you like this tutorial, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe and comment. I'll catch you in the next tutorial with another greatest stuff. Have a good day.